Hi, I'm Jeremy Yoder. No, wait, you're Jeremy Yoder. I'm Joe.
Joe from Bring the Smoke, but today we're cooking some beef belly and it's going to be absolutely incredible.
That's how you know it's bad. He's leaking from the mouth.
He's leaking.
He's leaking from the mouth.
Oh my God.
Look.
But I've got a special challenge for you.
If you want to see the rest of that, you're going to stick around to the end of the video. All right, guys, I'm off to go do a cookout with Jeremy Yoder down in Ypsilanti. First trip of the year on my motorcycle. I'll see you guys when I get there. So under the directions of a professional here, I'm going to be seasoning this up and we are going to be cutting this into strips, later cubing it and turning it into burnt ends.
Okay, so we're only going to season it with pepper, right? Because
Yes.
you brined it. How did you do that?
I made a water salt brine with brown sugar, peppercorns, bay leaves, and I left it in the fridge for about 48 hours. And I also injected it to speed up the process.
The salt and the sugar have like osmotic properties. They're going to pull water into the meat. But as I've said once, just like a million times, is that what you perceive as moisture is rendered fat. And so this has a lot of rendered fat in it. So if you like bacon, you're gonna love beef belly, because the same cut on a pig that makes bacon makes beef belly. And so we're gonna have some awesome stuff. And we're gonna have rendered fat in there. We're gonna have a lot of smoke flavor. We're gonna have salt that's already penetrated. And then we're gonna add the pepper. And then do you wanna do some kind of, you know, sauce on the outside, or what do you wanna do?
I'm thinking we'll make maybe half of it sauce, half of it not.
Okay, that sounds awesome. If you guys don't know, beef belly is a tremendous cut of meat. It's one of my very favorites. So if I'm eating for me, I'm making something like beef belly or something really rich and fatty. It's so good. And I'm really excited to do this today because I had no plans for this at all. I'm cooking briskets and pork butts and all the usual stuff, but this is one of those things that's kind of out of the normal that's amazing. What's this brown stuff on here? Is it brown sugar or what?
That is part of the brine. Oh, one other thing that was in the brine was cumin. So you've got brown sugar, cumin, the bay leaf, peppercorns. So what you're seeing on there is probably a mixture of the brown sugar and cumin.
Okay, all right, so let's put some black pepper on this because I love black pepper. And then we'll get it on the smoker. We have a good smoker, lots of good red oak, and we're gonna have some really flavorful stuff, I think.
All right.
That's salt and pepper, I think.
Nope, this is just pepper.
It's just pepper.
I feel
Just pepper, guys, sorry.
All right. Thought you were a professional.
No, I'm just a moron. So any coriander in this or just pepper?
There is black peppercorns, I think red peppercorns, a little bit of red pepper flake.
Okay, so you're gonna do this in strips or one big thing?
Under, again, your direction. So if this turns out wrong, it's his fault.
My fault, my fault.
We're gonna strip it up and then get some smoke on there, and then we are gonna cube it later on.
All right.
I should have got something better in a butter knife.
As my pappy used to say, don't make me no never mind. Here's one.
This is my first time making a beef belly. I've made pork belly numerous times. That always turns out pretty well. I figured that I bought a cow.
A whole one?
I bought half of the cow.
The side of
But
beef?
yes. Told the butcher that I wanted every possible part of the cow. All the bones, all the suet, everything. Everything that I could get, I got. Heart, liver, everything.
Gonna eat raw liver?
I have. It is not as fantastic as you think.
I didn't think it was fantastic. I thought it was trash.
Although turkey liver was actually really good.
Really?
I fried that in
Like
duck
wild
fat.
turkey or what?
No, it's
I'm not talking about the bourbon. I'm talking about like.
no.
I'd hit it with some more pepper. Yeah, the sides.
Okay.
Dude, I had no idea how to do channel. Okay. I had no clue.
Well, now you know. I mean, you still won't watch it, but now you know.
Correct. I don't watch any barbecue stuff.
I might have to force you like it's a prison camp or something.
Like North Korea?
Yeah. Watch the propaganda. And we're banned.
Demonetized.
I'm not monetized, so have at it.
Rock and roll.
Some more pepper.
Let's put these guys on.
Now, do you prefer these sauced, or do you think that they're better off the way they are?
Well, it's because they're so rich and there's so much flavor. You just want to go, to me, I think you want to go to 11 out of 10 and just get all the flavor you possibly can on these.
Any particular sauce that you like?
Well, I like to make my own sauce. but
Fancy.
for other people.
Oh, they're not
Yeah.
good enough. All right.
No, it's not that they're not good enough. It's just that most people who want sauce want something that they recognize. And so they want like either Casey Masterpiece or like Sweet Baby
Sweet Baby
Ray's. Yeah. If you want barbecue sauce, that ticks all the boxes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like, oh, I want sweet. I want, you know, like brown sugar flavors. I want like some smokiness. It does all that.
Right thickness, right color. All
Yeah.
that.
All right, rock and roll.
How long do you think this is going to take?
Probably 3 or 4 hours, and then we cube it up and sauce it. All right, let's get these guys on there.
I'll pull my weight by, you know, getting these 2 strips.
There you go. Okay, we're gonna put these on the 500 because we want real, like solid smoke flavor. And with the big smokers, you get a lot of smoke flavor, so that's what we really want on these. So we're gonna throw these in here. We're gonna let them kind of start to draw up. All those proteins begin to coagulate. And we're gonna put on really nice smoke flavor. And then we're gonna keep them up and sauce them.
Around what time do you think we're going to be aiming for?
275.
We're going to cut these into cubes. We're going to sauce some. We're going to leave some. We're going to put them in the pans, and then we are going to put them back in the smoker and get them tempered.
Yep. All right, let's cut these up. Look at that smoke bringing in. And it's because we're smoking with wood right there.
Look at that. All right.
Hold on.
I mean, I even took time to show the camera. You know, I don't know
Yeah.
what you're doing over here, man.
Yeah, probably because I had more than you did.
I counted out even. I don't know what you're talking
I don't
about.
think you can count.
I can't.
Vidalia onion barbecue sauce. What's going on? Smells great. Hopefully it tastes great.
I also.
There we go.
No,
This sauce smells so good.
but or we're
Yeah,
gonna,
yeah, let's keep it.
no, we're gonna keep this by itself.
I didn't see anything.
I didn't. What do you think?
This sauce is good.
This sauce is from a local farm store right by my house. I haven't found anything that I don't like from their sauce selection. So, all right. Too bad you guys can't
It's good.
get it. Sorry.
All right.
These beef belly burnt ends turned out absolutely spectacular. The sauce, the flavors, the brine, the salt, the pepper, everything came together. These past 2 days doing this cookout and making the beef belly burnt ends, recording with Jeremy, enjoying all the time that I spent with all the people that came out, it was absolutely just a great time. I couldn't have asked for anything more out of the whole experience. Jeremy, you're awesome.
Hey Joe, thank you so much for coming to the event. I had a blast filming with you, but I've got a special challenge for you. This is what I want to see you do a video on next. I want you to use my 500-gallon smoker. I want you to cook a pig's head, because it's something I've been thinking about doing for a long time. I've never seen anyone do it. So I want you to do it, post a video about it, and then you can have a challenge for me, something that maybe I've never done before. I'll give that a shot. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Joe's channel. He's producing a lot of great content, and you're going to be glad that you did. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.
One dab, everyone knows the rules.
Okay.
Only one dab.
Jeremy Yoder is about to cry for the next 20 minutes. Somebody, oh, he needs some milk.
Oh.
Top.
It's silent. It's silent.
I can't be the only one that knows the reference of he needs some milk.
He needs some milk.
Oh, he needs some milk.
Oh, he needs some milk.
That's hot.
My man's gonna have a heat stroke out here, dude. It's not a good idea.
George.
Oh no, that's how you know it's bad. He's leaking from the mouth.
He's leaking.
He's leaking from the mouth.
Oh my God.
Look at him, look.
Tell me what you got going on.
Pain.
This was not a good idea.
Oh, this is a great idea.
No,
Glad it's you and not me.
that's why I'm not doing it.
It's just like
The
guys
fact-
facing each
The
other.
fact that you went in first without like,
I think he's having the
I'm just
next
saying, you got
And he had a lot on there too. I'm not gonna lie. There was a lot on there.
it's supposed to be one dab, not a pour.
Oh, dude, it's hot.
This is the last dab sauce, which is the Scoville is just off the charts.
What is the Scovilles on that, if you know?
Oh, it's, they rate it. They say it's
To the
over a
millions?
million.
Oh
Yeah.
Lord!
Okay.
Just smell it.
Dude, that's hot.
His mouth feels like that firebox.
Have you ever
It
been
doesn't
based
smell
before?
that bad though.
It's gotta be around
No,
the
that
same.
one's.
Dude, I eat a lot of hot stuff. That is freaking hot.
Oh, no.
I can't stop spitting.
Who's next?
Who brought that stuff?
I did.
That evil, insane stuff.
I see. Like it's hot, but it's.
Dude, it is hot.
I'm
I'll
not
pay.
taking up this challenge.
Me either.
All right.
Not that bad. It's hot. Not that bad.